Hi, this is Hardy.
We are artists from Taiwan.
Let's welcome our model Eason. As you can see, we have printed this model. And we will apply candy to sterilize the color. It's not only to remove the unwanted yellow tone, but also achieve the transparency result. Now you can see the beautiful results after self-lighting.
Now we just finished the color. I'm gonna show you about the sectioning. Now we just finished the first look.
Now, this is the second look. We hope you